first one.
I was like, Danny's still inside. Don't worry.
Did it get a bunch quieter?
The same for
Yeah, she doesn't have noise canceling on hers back there.
Oh, that's so.
Sorry.
Downwind runway 19 Greenwood.
I'm just going to turn around and face into the wind for now.
One niner 6 Delta entering left base, runway 19 Greenwood.
That's this guy landing up there, Sam.
Yeah. Oh, that one in the air?
Yep, that's who we're hearing.
I don't know. That plane.
Greenwood traffic, Skyhawk 80497, 2 miles to the west at 1,900, inbound for a midfield crosswind to 18. That's 19 Greenwood.
19 Greenwood. Greenwood traffic, Mooney 3434, X-rays entering runway 19 for departure. We're going to do left turn out. Greenwood traffic.
Greenwood traffic, Skyhawk 80497, turning left base for 19 Greenwood.
Was that Archer traffic on final for Greenwood?
Archer traffic on final.
Yeah, Archer 5. Alpha Greenwood traffic, we're about 5 miles, runway 19, Greenwood. So we're going to cut from you, I think the headwind will slow down.
That way.
Greenwood traffic, Bonanza 35, number 4 to the northwest, under the midfield left crosswind for 19 Greenwood.
Hey, you want to fly for me while I take my jacket off? I'm freaking getting cooked over here.
For traffic,
I can hold the rudder arm.
Nah, it's all right.
downwind.
I'll just loosen it up. I'm going to let some air in, though.
Echoes left base for 15 in the metro.
I was
Greenwood
thinking
traffic,
while we are up, it's kind of cold in here,
runway
but not
19, we'll hurry it up after
Yeah.
traffic clears the runway. Greenwood.
And I thought I would be tall enough to see everything.
Greenwood traffic, Cessna 569, left base for
Oh, yeah, I should have, sir, there was a cushion I put back there. You could have put underneath of you.
It's fine.
Sub 5925 will hold off for the final traffic. Greenwood.
Wow. There's so many of them over there. There's like 5 of them going in circles. They're circling around each other, taking turns.
They can land.
Yeah, they're taking turns to land, yeah.
Greenwood traffic, Skyhawk 80497, clear the active Greenwood.
Greenwood traffic, Bonanza 35. The number is 2.5 here.
There's downtown, this skyscraper, see?
050 Papa South 5 southeast of the field, 1900 north to west transition.
They'll be on your left over here. There it is, downtown Indy. You guys doing okay?
Yep.
Yeah.
There's an American Airlines about to fly right over. See him here?
Oh, I see that. That's cool.
I didn't know American Airlines.
I saw him on my map here. I can see the airplanes around me on my map over here.
You can see Really? Type it Delta or whatever.
Well, it says on it his tail number is AAL.
And you know that, so air can air.
You guys like roller coasters?
Kylie does.
Yeah, I do.
But you don't like them though? Yeah.
I haven't really rode one, okay?
Oh.
Let's put it that way. I rode one and it's small. That was like 5 years ago, and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Are you nervous in the plane right now?
Not at all.
No? Well, that's good. How about you, Kylie?
I'm not.
Very good.
Yeah.
You guys are must not know what's going on.
Well, don't do that.
Ah, just messing with you. Well, one of the things that the kids really love, I call Daddy a Daddy roller coaster, where I can make the plane
Oh no.
go weightless. I'll just do it a tiny bit.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That was just uno poquito.
That's well, at least that's not, how would I say that? That's scary. You go to roller coaster, you feel like you're going out on the seat.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That one is like, you can really...
Now, when I do it with the kids, I'll pull up pretty hard and we'll nose it down, and everybody's floating up against their seatbelts.
Oh
my
wow.
Amelia's going, yay, do it again, Daddy.
Of course.
He loves it. Ethan will wake up sometimes I'll wake him up that way. He'll be asleep, and that's what. So we're now 3,300 feet going in the air, 150 mile an hour. We've got a
100 mile an hour?
Yeah, 150 mile an hour is what we're doing through the air. The problem is that we got a headwind that's slowing us down to 135. That same wind that I was feeling is slowing us down. If we were going the other way, we'd be going 180 mile an hour. I would fly you guys over your house over there, but it's in the airspace, I think. It's in that airspace that's a problem. Whew, a little bumpy out here. Well, there's the casino. Let's climb back up. It's kind of bumpy. Woo!
So how long have you been flying with your license?
Traffic, Cherokee 8845.
Been a year?
10 miles to
About that.
Really?
Inbound land
Almost a year. I've got, in the last year, I've got about 170 hours of flying.
Oh.
We went some places. There's an airplane there. See his light?
I think I saw two lights in somewhere.
Rotorcraft north of the field.
we went ahead and climbed, and you guys have a good evening?
So many planes up here. He's up there practicing. He's only going 60 mile an hour. It's a Cessna. They're slow. So the airplane guys are kind of like the car guys, you know, the Fords and the Chevy. That's a Ford.
5 miles to the southeast at 2,300 feet. Inbound to land runway 22. We'll be picking up the left downwind for 22 southbound traffic. And Eagle Creek helicopter 191. Lima is 5.5 miles northwest, 2,000 feet clear to the Eagle Creek.
I've got to keep an eye on it, make sure you don't do no stalls or anything on me. Oh, we got some precipitation. That's interesting. 50 degrees outside, it won't freeze.
34 X-ray, Columbus Tower.
Yes, I'm 10 miles north of the field with the numbers inbound for landing. Mooney 34, 34 X-ray.
Mooney 34 X-ray, roger. Report right base for runway 23, sir. Copy, you have the numbers.
I have the numbers. We'll report a right base runway 23, 34 X-ray. What I anticipated. Sorry guys, it's not normally this bumpy. Is everybody feeling okay?
Oh yeah. We're bumpy in the Philippines. Believe me. In the car.
So you look out there in the distance and you're like, where's the airport at? Especially like at nighttime, how do you find it? Look for a white light and a green light flash. White,
Like that?
green. White, green. That's the that's a civilian airport light beacon signal. But I can see it because I'm used to looking for it. There's an open field there, this side of the city. All right, boost pumps on. I don't think I need landing light yet. Cowl flaps are open. Fuel's good. Put our mixture in, put our prop in.
Visibility 10, ceiling 5,000, overcast, temperature 10.
Mooney 34 X-rays on a right base, runway 23.
November 34 X-ray, roger. Runway 23, clear to land. Wind 220 at 18.
Cleared to land, runway 23, 34 X-ray. Landing gear down. That was bananas.
It was so smooth though. Isn't it?
That was about as good as that kind of landing can get. Woo.
Good.
Yeah. Kind of proud of that one.
Number 34 X-ray, taxi to the ramp via Alpha. Have a good night.
Taxiing to the ramp via Alpha. Little bumpy up there, by the way. You have a good night.
Yes, sir.